So hello, today's topic is how to learn machine learning or reinforcement learning. Many of you want to go on YouTube and search how to learn machine learning, but the videos that are coming is not completed because they did not tell the math behind the machine learning. The main thing is math, the rooted thing. If you do not know the math behind the machine learning, you can't understand machine learning or reinforcement learning or classification problem or image classification problem or many things. So if you want to make an gaming bot which can play by self, and if you want to make a school project or college project or a image classification project, or if you want to build a chatbot or AI which have a cognitivity of consciousness, then if you have to learn machine learning. So the main problem is everyone try to learn machine learning but they do not understand it because of lack of mathematics, because every video on YouTube has telling how to program it on Python or anything on a programming language, but what is the math behind it they do not tell you. For that you don't learn it. This is not for that you can't understand it, and this is not very complicated or complex thing, because this is very simple thing if you learn mathematics first. So we can subdivide the problem into three parts. First, programming language, which programming language you have to choose. So I can suggest you Python because this is most advanced and easiest and simplest language, and this is many pre-built libraries have for machine learning lecturers, and also like TensorFlow they have provided you just pre-built machine learning library which can you just pass the parameters, and they have you got a neural network for AI or neural network. Awesome, I know this is very easy on TensorFlow or Keras, but do not use them first when you are understanding them, because if you don't use them on first then you can't understand. If you try on yourself then you can try the TensorFlow when you are expert on this, when we know all this. So then coming to the then if you know C++ or anything, then it's probably good, not bad. You don't have to come with Python, but Python is the good for machine learning. And second is math. This is the root part, because they did not tell us, for that we did not learn this. So root is math. So what is behind machine learning or reinforced learning? So reinforcement learning or machine learning or linear regression, supervised and unsupervised, very much of complexities. They are nothing just calculus, linear algebra and probability. You don't want to learn the whole mathematics, you just want to learn the three chapters: calculus, linear algebra and probability. And this calculus, just find a good book. I suggest you a YouTube videos playlist, 3 brown 1 blue. Come to their channel, go to their channel and find the playlist of essence of calculus, and there you can find all the details. They are giving so detailedly understanding view of calculus with graphical representation. So go to there and learn the whole calculus. And also the second chapter is linear algebra. If you have a big project, and for that you need big data, so you have to dot the product them with the matrix determinant, so you have to learn linear algebra for producting them. So and I recommend a YouTube channel, so you go there. And third thing is probability. So probabilities come when you want to learn reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is usually a machine learning algorithm. It will apply to gaming bot. If you want to make a gaming bot which can play by self, you don't have to teach, just pass the pixel of those gaming images, and then he can learn by playing, training, and he will be the topmost player. Then when you want to learn reinforcement learning, you have to need probability. So it's not basically necessary for now, but when you want to learn that, so you have to complete this. And don't just see them only, just full understand them. If you don't understand them well, so you are not going further on ML, because ML is a complex chapter without math. If you know math, this it's very simple. Then we go, what is ML? Then we started to program in Python, how can implement all of this mathematics in programming language, because only if you see this what is the math behind you, and if you do not learn how to implement that in programming language, then you can see how can I implement all this equation on a programming language. We have to see, understand, make projects. And also every week Sunday we can take a challenge from user. You just have to comment below and we can we can choose a pick, and then we can take the challenge and complete that in a week. If 1 week is enough for that challenge, then we can complete that, or if you need 2 week we can complete. But after completing this challenge we can go further and further challenge. And by that, because many of you are coming often this channel to expert on machine learning, not only learn, because already you have to learn and now you have to see how that implement on code. So we can take challenge, and you and me, we together can complete this project by understanding. By that we can upgrade our understanding level. So nothing very complex on machine learning. You just have to know the mathematics and how to implement on that into programming language. Just these two part is the main thing, and all the videos on YouTube are telling how can you implement all this mathematics on programming language, but how can you learn the math, they did not tell you. So I tell you each and every part detailedly, and also implement that in programming language. And I also working on a big project, like I make own neural network library which can like Keras and TensorFlow. If you want to create a neural network, you just pass the parameter on that library and that create a big brain of AI in a minute, I know, and that can play self by self. And I also working on a project, I combine reinforcement learning, genetic algorithm, and neural networks. I combine these three and add some memory and past experience and try to make a gaming bot which can play PUBG. So I am working on many big projects, and just I consider each and everything detailedly on this channel. Just focus on this channel and be with us. And thanks for watching, and bye bye. We're seeing in next video.